Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Tanctics here with a little bit of a different video. I haven't been doing any of these types of videos in quite some time, and I haven't ever done a video like this. So I used to do Yu-Gi-Oh! And stuff like that, but I have graduated and now I do Airsoft. Now what I do with Airsoft is I build them, I customize them, and I even paint them. And what I'm going to do with my channel now is I'm going to teach you how to do those types of things. I've been doing a lot of research, so that's and what I learned I want to teach you guys, and I feel like I can explain it better than most people on YouTube do. Now, but this video is going to be a showcase. I'm going to show you one of the guns that I'm actually going to paint. I'm going to do a different variant of it. I'm actually going to do a blue variant of it, but I wanted to show you what you guys can expect and what I'm going to show you. Now, my setup isn't so great, but it's what I've got for so far. So here we go. So this gun is one of my oldest guns, and I actually completely customized this gun. It actually used to be much smaller. And as you can see, if you ever played Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, this is kind of like similar to the Red Tiger camo that's in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Now, note that a lot of this stuff isn't perfect. You know, like there's always going to be some sort of mistakes, but it's how it is. But it's so fun to do this. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to tell you what materials that you actually need in order to do this. Now, this isn't a cheap process in the starting version of it, I guess you can say, but once you get all the equipment, it will cost you maybe $10 to do something like this. But if you wanted me to do this for you, I would definitely be charging a lot more because I'd have to take it apart and everything like that. Let's take it apart, but that's a different story. But that is it. If you guys really do like this paint job, please leave a like. And there will be a blue variant of this coming out very, very, very soon. And I really hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.